Hello, my name is Ashley Martineau and I am going to show you how to assemble one of the SpinPerfect bobbins by SpinOlution. This bobbin is a prototype, so your bobbin may look a little different than mine. When you receive your bobbins, they'll be flat packed and you'll get them in these three pieces. This is the shaft, this is the back of the bobbin with a larger hole, and this is the front of the bobbin with a smaller hole. You can see the shaft has the magnet that goes onto your flyer in this direction. So in order to assemble the bobbin, you will drop the shaft through the back, line up the threading, and gently twist them together until they're just hand tight. Do not over tighten or it will be very difficult for you to disassemble your bobbin for transport. Now to put the front of the bobbin on, you'll notice that there's a flat side and a curved side. This curved side faces the back so that your bobbin has a nice curve in front of and behind the yarn. Take that curved side toward the back and gently thread it on, being careful not to cross thread it. Like so. Gently tighten it. And now your bobbin is assembled. This is the way that it will go on your wheel. You'll see that you can see the size of the bobbin and SpinOlution facing you when you spin. To take the bobbin apart, twist them in different directions and gently remove whichever side comes off first. And then you can remove the back like that. And that is how you assemble and disassemble a SpinPerfect bobbin by SpinOlution.